I'm DeRose. I'm a director of reporting and analysis for Comcast. We're a Fortune 30 company. We're a conglomerate of telecom and entertainment. Prior to using OneStream, we were using HFM. We purchased a company called Sky in Europe, and they fold into segments of our business, but they use a different application for their ERP. We had to take their financials in a completely different language, and so it was really difficult to pull data out of SAP and read it out in Fusion language, which our teams are used to, as well as it's difficult for them to then be able to read out what is happening in their business without being able to translate into the language that our leadership's used to. It was very difficult to tell the story at the leadership level because of the fact that it was a lot of piecemeal and, stitching together information that wasn't easy to trace back. By using OneStream, we were able to bridge that gap, give everybody insight into what the company's doing and how they're performing in a way that we can all kind of talk the same language and be able to research, whereas before we were operating as two separate companies. So to get data into OneStream, we have multiple ERP systems. We have it all automated so that during our close process, it's coming in timely, which is really helpful because of the fact that we have a tight close and accelerated close. To be able to pivot and understand what's happening before we start readouts has been critical for us. My favorite thing about OneStream is being able to drill in from top-level information and get all the way to the source data where you can actually understand what's driving the changes. The things we're looking forward to with OneStream is the insights from AI that we're going to be able to draw, and then leverage all the capabilities of OneStream to better understand what's happening in the business, not just reporting out the actuals. It's almost overwhelming the amount of systems we use that OneStream can replace and do all in one spot.